Hello guys, this is Len from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have an ASUS Zenfone 10 with a cracked display, and David will try to rescue this phone. Let's join him. Let's go. So we have here a smartphone from ASUS, the Zenfone 10. To be honest, the latest phone that I associate with ASUS is the ROG lineup. So this one is their, I think, entry-level to mid-tier smartphone. And the back cover of this one is made up of plastic, so that tells you that it's kind of on a budget smartphone. So we'll remove the back cover on this one and reveal the internal components. We'll cut this adhesive because it's kind of stuck in there. We'll remove the cover for the main board so we can detach the battery and maybe possibly test the new display. So with this smartphone, it's quite old, but I think David has sourced some replacement display for this one. So this is the replacement display, and we'll test it by attaching it to this connector right here. So it will bypass the original display and display whatever it shows on the replacement display. So it's gonna be like this for a while. So it's showing us the boot sequence, and as we peel off the plastic, it looks pretty brand new. And we are in the home screen. The smartphone is still good, just needs a new display. Still initializing some apps, but so far so good. We can use touchscreen, no dead pixels, no lines, so this replacement display is all good. So we have done some primary tests for the camera. Now we are going to shut this phone down, detach the replacement display, and continue with our disassembly process. So the way we remove the front display is we remove the battery because the connector is hidden underneath the battery. So we'll peel that off, leave it open for a while, and then continue the work up front. So we'll try to remove the front display like what we did with the back cover. So we'll use our pry tool slowly and spray some IPA so that it will soften the adhesive between the glass and the housing, and we'll slice through it. Spray some IPA, slice. So we'll not be reusing this broken display, so it's not really a concern. We'll just make sure that we do this gently so that we don't damage other components as we remove the broken front glass. So now it's off. It's time for us to clean up. So we have to prep the housing so that when we install the new display, it will fit snugly on this slot. And David has noticed that there's some small shards of glass left on the corner and a bent housing. So the housing is made up of soft aluminum. So we'll use our mini drill to free up the space, make sure that the new glass will not be creating any gaps because of these burrs. So we'll just go around the corners. Especially if you drop your smartphone on the corner, it will bend the opening. So when you install the display, it will just leave a permanent gap because it's not going to be snugly fitted over the slot. And then the liquid adhesive will be attached next. We'll put sufficient amount. So this will not be waterproof as what I've mentioned in our previous repairs. So this is just going to be enough so that when we install the display, it will not fall off. and it can withstand a few degrees of increase in temperature when you're charging or you're using the smartphone, but it's not going to be waterproof like the factory seal adhesive. Now we are going to install the battery. So the battery will cover the connector for the display, make it flat, and then we'll reattach everything, including these connectors. We'll connect this 1, 2, I think 5 of them in total, and then we can close up the device. So if you have questions on the range of smartphones that we fix here in the shop, we fix relatively older smartphones. That is the point. If you have an older smartphone that is in need of a new display or a new battery, that's the whole point of repairing things. So this ASUS Zenfone 10 is quite old, gotta admit, but it's gonna be usable. The mainboard is still good, the battery is still good. The only thing that's broken is the front display, and it's gonna be a shame if you're gonna just throw it right away. So right here, you can give this to your kid or a grandma, because this one is still good. It's still capable even in 2025. And if you want a spare phone that you can use, this is gonna be it. If you want a burner phone, that's it. But we also repair modern smartphones, and we show you the before and after there. And I hope this inspired you to give your older smartphone a second chance. Maybe it can be useful for someone else, or you can sell it for a few bucks. Who knows? The repairs on older smartphones are relatively cheaper compared to buying a brand new one. So it's something to think about. And I hope this inspired you guys to do the same. And this repair is done. Thanks for joining, guys. Like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.